Have you ever wondered why implementing a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, can be such an uphill task? Well, it's no secret that CMMS has become a cornerstone in effective asset management strategies. With its ability to streamline operations and boost efficiency, it's a tool that no modern maintenance manager can afford to ignore. But, like any sophisticated technology, implementing a CMMS doesn't come without its hurdles. Picture yourself trying to manage an influx of data, from asset details to maintenance schedules, all while ensuring it's accurate and accessible. It's a bit like trying to juggle while riding a unicycle, isn't it? And then there's the challenge of user adoption. Convincing your team to switch from familiar, traditional methods to a new system can be akin to moving a mountain. But it's a mountain that must be moved for the sake of progress. Furthermore, integrating the CMMS into your existing systems can feel like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. It requires careful planning and execution to ensure seamless operation. And let's not forget about configuration. Setting up the system to meet your specific needs can be a tricky task. Surely these challenges can't be insurmountable, can they? Let's delve deeper. So, we've established that implementing CMMS comes with its share of challenges. But what if we told you there are solutions? First up, data management. It's a significant challenge, but here's the game changer: a well-defined plan. A solid strategy for managing data can make all the difference. It's about knowing what data you need, where it's coming from, and how you'll use it. This plan should be clear, concise, and most importantly, actionable. Moving on to user adoption. No system, no matter how advanced, can make an impact without the people using it. So how do we ensure user adoption? By involving key stakeholders from the get-go. It's about making sure that everyone who's going to use the system is in the loop, understands its benefits, and is trained to use it effectively. Providing adequate training and ongoing support can significantly enhance user adoption rates and overall system effectiveness. Next, system integration. This is where the rubber meets the road. The right system can seamlessly integrate with your existing operations, making the transition smooth and efficient. But remember, it's not about finding the most advanced system. It's about finding the right system for your specific needs. Finally, let's talk about configuration. The key to a successful CMMS implementation is aligning the system with your maintenance strategy. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. The system needs to be tailored to your specific business needs and goals. This might involve customizing certain features or setting up specific workflows. The point is, the system should work for you, not the other way around. As you can see, each challenge has a corresponding solution, and they're not as daunting as they first appear. So, where does this leave us in our journey of implementing CMMS? Well, we've taken a deep dive into the common challenges that can arise, from data management and user adoption to system integration and configuration. We've seen how these hurdles can pose a threat to successful implementation. But we've also discovered that these challenges aren't insurmountable. With a well-defined plan, stakeholder involvement, adequate training, and effective communication, we can navigate these obstacles and make CMMS work for us. And why do we want to do this? Because the benefits are substantial. A properly implemented CMMS can lead to greater maintenance efficiency, tighter security, and a better bottom line. It's about turning challenges into opportunities and using technology to our advantage. So let's not shy away from the difficulties. Instead, let's embrace them, learn from them, and use them to drive us forward. Remember, the key to successful CMMS implementation lies in understanding the challenges and knowing how to overcome them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.